The wait is finally over. Honda has revealed something truly unexpected at EICMA, 3R 900 E-Compressor, a machine that could redefine what a naked bike means in the modern age. This isn't another rehashed inline-four or parallel twin with flashy graphics. This is a completely new direction, powered by a 900 cubic centimeter, water-cooled 75-degree V3 engine paired with an electronically controlled compressor. Honda says this E-Compressor system provides instant low-end torque and a surge of mid-range response that feels far beyond what a 900 cubic centimeter engine should deliver. At the same time, it's engineered to maintain composure, delivering smooth power without the unpredictable lag or snappiness associated with traditional turbo or mechanical supercharger systems. It's controlled, it's smart, and it's very Honda. The engine's unique V3 layout isn't just for attention either. It's compact, lightweight, and allows for a lower center of gravity, helping the bike remain agile, especially in city riding or through fast transitions on winding roads. Honda's design philosophy for this prototype is what they call non-rail roller coaster. A curious phrase, but one that captures their intent perfectly. A riding experience that feels thrilling, yet never out of control. It's the perfect harmony of excitement and security. This concept goes beyond styling. It defines how the bike feels, how it breathes, and how it responds to the rider's smallest input. The E-Compressor system works like an invisible assistant, balancing power and control seamlessly. Visually, the V3R 900 E-Compressor carries that unmistakable Honda identity, but sharper, more sculpted. The asymmetrical bodywork stands out immediately. It's not about being pretty, it's about function meeting form. Every surface, every vent seems shaped by purpose. The frame is a lightweight unit designed to work with the new power plant's mass distribution. The minimalist tail, muscular tank, and aggressive stance make it look like it's ready to pounce, even when standing still. There's a quiet confidence in this design, like a reminder that Honda doesn't need to shout to make a point. This bike isn't just a teaser for future models. It's a statement about where Honda wants to take its street lineup in the coming years. After all, forced induction has been explored by other brands before, from Kawasaki's H2 lineup to Suzuki's experiments decades ago. But Honda's approach is distinctively modern. By using an electronically managed compressor, it shows a desire to merge high performance with real-world usability and environmental responsibility. Although it remains a prototype for now, the technology and design philosophy behind the V3R 900 E-Compressor clearly aim to bring innovation back into the naked bike segment. Honda has been relatively conservative in recent years, focusing on refinement rather than revolution. But with the V3R, it feels like the company is once again flexing its engineering muscle. If this concept reaches production, it will land right in the middle of one of the most competitive segments in the motorcycle world, the 900cc naked category. That means it'll face off against machines like the Yamaha MT-09, known for its wild triple-cylinder punch and lightweight frame, and the Kawasaki Z900, a long-standing benchmark for reliable performance and raw fun. Then there's the BMW F900R, which focuses on balance and premium tech, and the Triumph Street 77765, the king of agile, track-inspired nakeds. Even Ducati's Monster sits close in both displacement and intent, bringing that Italian flair into the mix. But the difference is clear. None of these machines carries a system like Honda's E-Compressor. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to SK for more exciting content. Ride safe, dream big, and stay tuned for our next story. Goodbye.